Hello everyone. This is a wind advisory. This is the video version, by the way. This is also in bid 1080p, by the way. So, yeah. So here's the wind speed. Normal, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gust, 45 miles per hour. Where? So this is where the whoa, what happened? My presentation went more wild. This is where it's happening. Somewhere it's in Texarkana. Where you could supposed to be. Wind will stop until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Thanks for watching Edison Weather. And this is an alert for, and I'm gonna end this alert for the wind advisory. Thank you.